Okay, we're going to do something completely non-important, but absolutely game changery. So, let's say you've got your code here. I'm just going to run it and look at that. It's given me hacking, 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 but it's done it with a cool font. Okay, is this necessary? No, but does it bring you a lot of joy? You betcha. So, first off, how to do this? Where I went, visit ozmaker.com/add color. Well, you probably just put this in and find it, but add color to text in Python. So, if you Google it and find ozmaker.com, they do a very good tutorial here, but I'll talk through briefly here. So, what I have here is I got the line print, which we looked at before. This here, the 033 is just a standard escape code, so just ignore that, okay? But you do need to have it in each of your ones. And then what happens is there's three different numbers given here: the 1, the 32, and the 40M. Okay, so the 1 stands is giving the first number gives us the style. So the 1 is for style. Okay, the 32 is for the text color, and the 40M is the background color. Okay. So that's basically you can play with these numbers then to get something different. So what I'll do is I'll just comment out these three things. Just but if we know that that number is for style, it can go up to, text styles go from 0 to 5. So I think 1 is for bold, which is kind of what we had there. So I'll go to 3 here. Okay. Um, I'll change the text color to be a different number. So I'll just try 30. I think it goes from 30 to 37. So I'll try 31. And then my background color goes from 40 to 47. So it's basically your color of the rainbow. It starts with black though. Black, red, green, yellow, blue, purple, cyan. Actually, they don't have orange, which is very strange. And they go in the wrong order. So actually, it is your rainbow, but it's in the wrong order. But let's put the background color to be 42, meaning of life. So now that's what I had originally. Now when I run it, let's see how it changes. Ooh, okay. So it's done some sort of weird green background. So green was to do with the color of, well, 42 is the color green. The 31 is the text, or sorry, yeah, 31 is the text color. So that's kind of reddish. And then 3 is obviously this weird looking italicsy thing going on. But what's nice about this is if you're making a piece of code and a user is going to have to look at this, it just sometimes makes it a bit more interesting. Also, for you, it adds a bit of flair and a bit of imagination to it. But if you check out that link, there's a very good tutorial with the breakdown of the colors all there. You can also use, and I'll mention it briefly, a module called Colorama. Okay. Um, and modules are basically add-ons that you can do to programs. But if you want to do it from scratch, this is the way to do it. You basically would import Colorama, and then you can use that module there. And we'll look at that in a later video.